Hey there, car owners! Today we're diving into some essential car maintenance tips that every vehicle owner should know. These aren't just random suggestions, they're crucial practices that can significantly extend the life of your car and save you from expensive repairs. Before we get started, if you find these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and straightforward automotive advice. All right, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about oil and filter changes. This is one of the most fundamental aspects of car maintenance. While some modern vehicles boast longer oil change intervals, it's wise to err on the side of caution. For older cars or those driven under harsh conditions, aim to change your oil and filter every 5,000 miles or less. Fresh oil helps maintain proper engine lubrication, reduces wear and tear, and eliminates harmful impurities that can cause damage over time. Next, let's discuss fuel injector maintenance. To keep your engine running efficiently and ensure optimal fuel economy, it's a good idea to use a quality fuel injector cleaner every 10,000 to 20,000 miles. This additive helps break down deposits that accumulate over time, ensuring your engine remains in top shape and your fuel consumption stays efficient. Now, let's address transmission fluid. This is a somewhat controversial topic because some manufacturers claim their transmission fluid is lifetime. However, for most automatic transmissions, it's crucial to replace the fluid at recommended intervals, typically between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. If you have a continuously variable transmission, CVT, you should replace the fluid more frequently, every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. For dual clutch transmissions, aim for fluid changes every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Keeping your transmission fluid fresh helps ensure smooth shifting and prolongs the life of your transmission. Tire maintenance is another critical area. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and before any long trips. Properly inflated tires not only last longer, but also reduce the risk of blowouts and improve fuel efficiency by decreasing rolling resistance. Additionally, remember to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. This helps them wear evenly and extends their lifespan. If your vehicle has hydraulic power steering, don't overlook it. Regularly check the fluid level, it's usually red, and replace it every 70,000 to 90,000 miles. Neglecting this can lead to harder steering and potentially damage your hydraulic pump. Another often overlooked maintenance item is brake fluid. This fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture over time, which can lead to corrosion in the brake system and reduce braking effectiveness. Ensure that your brake fluid is at the correct level and replace it every 2 to 3 years. Coolant maintenance is essential for your engine's health. Regularly check your coolant level and top it up if it falls below the minimum mark. Using extended life coolant can be beneficial, as some varieties last up to 180,000 miles before requiring a flush. Proper coolant levels and quality help prevent engine overheating and ensure efficient operation. Let's not forget about the air filter. A clean air filter is vital for maintaining proper airflow to your engine, which directly impacts its performance and fuel efficiency. It's generally advisable to change the air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. However, if you often drive in dusty or polluted environments, you might need to check it more frequently. Battery maintenance is another key area. Over time, battery terminals can become corroded. Regularly inspect them and clean off any corrosion as needed. Most car batteries typically need replacement every 4 to 5 years. After the 3rd year, it's a good idea to have your battery checked annually to ensure it's still in good condition. Lastly, let's discuss spark plugs and ignition coils. These components are crucial for engine performance. Spark plugs usually need to be replaced between 30,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Ignition coils, which help deliver electrical current to the spark plugs, generally last longer than spark plugs, but should still be checked regularly to ensure optimal engine operation. And here's a couple of additional tips to round things out. First, always keep an ear out for unusual noises. If you hear clunks, squeaks, or rattles, they might indicate a problem that needs attention. Second, keep an eye on your dashboard warning lights. They're there to alert you to potential issues before they become serious problems. Keeping track of all these maintenance items might seem overwhelming, but don't worry. Each one plays a vital role in your vehicle's overall health and longevity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical car care tips. Thanks for watching.